Hi guys, hi YouTubers, hope you're well today. I'm putting a video about a company called LeadsLeap. I've been involved in this company for around about say 3 years now. Very good company and it works. It's great if you're an internet marketer and you're building a business or building your brand online. Very good. I use it for traffic, I use it for building my opt-in pages and my landing pages. And I also use it for my autoresponder as well. So it's a very reasonable and affordable platform to use. Yeah, you can become a free member. Okay, not a problem, and good for getting traffic. And also there is a paid version, which is the price wise. If you're a free member and you decide to join, it's $23 a month. Okay. But if you wait for about say 48 hours or 3 days or whatever, 72 hours approximately, it's going to cost you $27 a month. Okay, my advice is to get in quick. But if you've got no money, my advice really is to click on links. Okay, which gives you traffic. You can use it the same sort of same way. But being a pro member, paid member, okay, you do have benefits, obviously, because you're a paid member. Okay, let me go through this excellent platform. Okay, right. As I said before, if you're a free member, it's free to join. Okay, and what you need to do, you need to click on these ads here to get traffic. Okay, so they're all down here. Okay, what you do if you're a free member and you want to get traffic to your office, okay, just click these ads here. I'll click on here and just go through just watching these adverts, okay? And down here it's welcome, and it tell you how many credits you got. That's a brilliant way of getting traffic if you're a free member and if you've got no money, unfortunately. But if you're a paid member, okay, what you need to do is, let's have a look, we could go back. Here. There we go. Right. The beauty about this, guys, you can have your own platforms you can promote. Okay, and it's giving you not bad traffic actually. And I had a few opt-ins as well. And in the last few years, I have been a member for about 3 years, though, mind. Probably a little bit longer. But this one here, 5,176 views. Okay, a few conversions as well. So you're getting real people clicking on these ads, okay? And also if you're a free member you will be seeing these ads, so good for me. If you join me, great stuff. But there's a lot of people doing this and making good return on investment every day. And also we do have a autoresponder which is all built in. I love it. I think it's really good. You have a down here list manager and you can send emails out if you're a paid member. Okay, but if you're a free member, you can't send emails out. You can get traffic and you can promote your business, yeah? We do have a link to your blog. So if you've got a blog, you can broadcast it on your blog to the LeadsLeap. It's all linked. And also YouTube, Excellent. Plus, you can build pages. Quickly get an example. I'll throw one up here. This is one of my campaigns at the moment. You can build opt-in pages and landing pages, which is very good. And also it links up to your autoresponder by sending emails out. So, so if I quickly scroll down to my emails, let's have a look. Where's my emails? Let's have a look. Here we go. Email series. Click on that. Okay. Right, there's my email series. So when they click onto my landing page, they automatically get an email every day or every 2 days. Okay, so I have been with a lot of platforms in the last few years since I've been online, and this is very affordable. I have been with a few big companies and I've built my list, okay, and it's starting to cost me say $100 to $200 a month. The more list you have, it costs. But these are the big companies. I won't mention their names, but to be honest with you, LeadsLeap is very good. You're getting traffic and you can build your landing page, opt-in pages, okay? And also you can get traffic. It's, basically it's everything all in one roof. This is brilliant if you're a newbie. It's got tutorials of how to do this, and also you can build your list. The list is very, very important, because you can actually build an opt-in page, and once they click on the opt-in page, it goes straight to your landing page, and then obviously straight to the offer you're promoting. This is multi-level marketing, okay? Or you can use it for, like, health and fitness, or other niches online, BizOp, or whatever, whatever you're doing. Brilliant for that, guys. It is very, very, very affordable. Why pay all these big companies lots of money? But with this company, you get everything all in one roof, and it's very, 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 very affordable. Also, we do have a track link. You can track the links, okay, when you send your traffic to an opt-in page. We have a rotator. We have ad bars. Okay, it's all it's all there, guys. You can do a review on your blog. You can do a review in LeadsLeap. Okay, and as I said earlier on, if you're a free member, you can just click those ads and get some traffic to your offers. Okay, but the only thing you can't do is send emails out, because obviously you're a free member. Okay, this is a very, very affordable business, and guys, if you're interested, click on the link below and join. At the end of the day, it's a no-brainer. If you're professional, if you're a novice, if you're intermediate, this is the way how to build your business, and you can get traffic. You can have it built in autoresponder. Guys, this is a no-brainer. It really, really is. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. Please leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. I will be doing other videos regarding this company, and also my other businesses I have online. And also, I have got a blog, so I'll leave my link for my blog if you're interested in what I do. Please look at my blog. Okay, guys, thanks so much. Thank you. Really appreciate your time. Happy days.